Good morning, good morning, good morning. It is currently 5:53 p.m. in the afternoon, and I'm going to be breaking down the trade I took on Roblox today. So, as you guys know, I trade breakouts and I do swing trades. So, basically, I hold positions for more than a day and I swing them overnight in hopes that the market gapped up or did something over the night. Overnight that will make me more money, excuse me. So as you can see, I took this nice breakout on Roblox. This is the daily chart. I'm going to show you guys the 5-minute chart real quick. Made me about 43%, as you can see. And I'm going to actually just run straight into this. So for breakouts, you want to typically look at the daily chart. I usually have the daily chart, the 4-hour chart, the 1-hour chart, the 15-minute chart, and the 5-minute chart. That's just basically the main charts that I need to look at. Don't need to look at the 1 minute. Don't need to look at the 3 minute. None of that. All I'm looking at is these higher time frames and the 5-minute chart, basically. So our main confirmation for breakouts is high volume. So you could already see that price has a lot of fucking volume. There has been practically no fallouts or no bearish markets here. It's been straight up except for over here. But right now, in this current state of the market on Roblox, it has been bullish. Okay, so you could already see we're in a uptrend. Now, looking at our levels, you could see this is a point where price rejected. So we mark out that level and we wait for price to come back. And as you can see, price went back to the level, rejected, and then came back again a third time, which it broke out, as you can see on this 4-hour and 1 hour. Okay, so how did I catch this? Well, for starters, looking at the 4-hour mark, you could already see rejection, boom, come down, come down, come down, rejection, boom, rejection, 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 right? You see all of these rejections. When this shit breaks, it's gonna break good, right? That's what we like to see. We like to see good breaks. We don't like to see shitty, unvolumented candles, okay? So looking at the 1 hour, right? For the people that do breakouts, what is a big confluence for a breakout that is about to happen? I'm asking you, you fucking idiot. Candles tend to get very tight like this. This is what we like to see. Once the candles start getting tight like this, that means there's a lack of volume in the market. And we are looking to see a big shoot up in volume in the market. And that's exactly what we see. So hopping on the 5-minute chart, when I'm actually taking my trades, I want to have a good level on the higher time frames so that I know where my breakout level is going to be, right? This is where my breakout level is because there is a whole bunch of rejections here. Rejection, boom, come down, came back, rejection, 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 right? Until it finally broke out. So on the 5-minute, we wait for price to close bullish above this level, right? So the first 5-minute candle was not bullish, so I did not take it. The second candle was bullish as hell, and it broke the level. As you can see, this is the level, the blue level, and price broke it. I wouldn't enter right here because it hasn't broke above my level yet. But since it broke above my level here, that's when I got in, right? And usually I would have my stop loss at the low of the first candle. But since I was confident in this breakout in particular, I set the stop loss a little bit lower so that my risk to reward was better. And as you can see, price went straight to the imbalance and we caught a good 43% on that trade. So that is exactly what you like seeing. And as you can see, my ADR is about 2.87, so that's great. You want to have at least two ADR, right? ADR stands for average daily range. So basically the average daily range that a stock moves at. So if you have an ADR that's like 1, it's going to be a fucking low volatility stock. It's not going to be moving that it's not going to be moving with those volumes that we want as a breakout trader. Another example on how breakouts are so fucking effective, you could see, right? Price starts consolidating in this pennant on the daily chart. I literally called this out on TikTok. If you're If you're here from TikTok, I appreciate you for coming here, but I actually called this out a few weeks ago on my TikTok account. So if you don't follow that, you might want to. So like I was saying, price came up, started having a trend. I wouldn't say I'm a trend line trader, but you know, we have a trend here, right? So as you can see, price starts getting very tight. And if we look on the 1 hour, right? I guarantee you price gets very tight and then it just booms. See? Right? Price comes up, gets very tight, boom. That's exactly what we like to see. That's exactly what we like to see, right? So if I go on the 5-minute, I guarantee you there's going to be a bullish 5-minute candle. Right? And I was correct. So I turned out being absolutely fucking correct, and this was the 5-minute candle. So the risk to reward on this breakout wouldn't be very good, only because this is such a bullish candle. That must have been just a very fucking bullish breakout, because as you can see, price broke out, and then if you swung this motherfucker, it just kept going. Like, it just absolutely fucking kept ripping, and that's exactly what we like to see as swing traders and breakout traders. Anyways, that's gonna wrap up the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this little breakdown. I know it's a bit wonky, and this is actually my first breakout video, or actually showing you guys what I trade and what I do. But I appreciate you guys for sticking through, and if you guys actually did stick through this whole video, I appreciate that. I said that already, but I appreciate that. Other than less, yeah, y'all stay disciplined, stay locked, and I will see you guys in the next video.